Hey, this is Greg Smith, Straight Talk with GregSmith.com on a Wednesday evening. Today's show we're going to talk about, and I've talked about this before, about the need to always promote you. Stop being a parrot marketer. That's what we're going to talk about in today's show. See you on the inside. There's too many out there in network marketing been told to promote. Or really, let's change that. They've been doing nothing but pitch. What you should be doing is promoting you. The reason why you in network marketing is not to pitch that company's product or service. That's the last thing that anybody wants to hear. The reason why network marketing was invented was for you to get in places that these big companies weren't able to, because you had the relationships with these people. Now, granted, we talk about in internet marketing and attraction marketing about chasing friends and family. Well, that's the problem. You're chasing. You have the relationship. You have that ability to talk to them about products and services. But you got to also understand, do those people need those products and services? Granted, the problem with a lot of friends and family is that they think they know you so well that they think that you don't have the experience. But they don't understand it doesn't take the experience, because look, we all pitch products and services other companies. We tell people about sales. We tell people about deals and other things. Why can't we tell people about some things about owning a business? Why is that so different? Why is that? Answer that question to yourself. Why is it we can tell everybody about deals at wherever this local store you shop at? We got a Kroger's here. We got a Giant Eagle. Some people may have a Save-On or whatever. We could tell everybody, friends and family, about a savings there. We could tell people about savings in gas. But when it comes to finances and making money, we got a problem with it. But we parrot off all those other things in marketing instead of the one thing that we need to be doing is showing people how to make money for themselves and their family. Why is that we have this problem? Two, in network marketing, we don't teach people how to get relationships. We do parrot marketing, as I call it. We all get into this thing about a system. We all mock, copy the system till we all start to sound the same, and people run away from us because none of us have learned to find our own voice. I want you to go to my blog, Straight Talk to Greg Smith. There's an excerpt that Steve Rachel explains in detail what I'm talking about, why is there a need for you to market you. You are the most unique out of anything that any network marketing can provide. That's why they have you as that face of that company. But that face of that company, you, Inc., is the one that has to build that relationship. If you got value from what I'm saying, please comment on my blog. Don't just say like, make a comment. Share with your team and other people. Okay? I'm serious. Share with your other team and other people. Go to my blog, StraightTalkWithGregSmith.com. I'll leave a link somewhere around here. You'll find that out. Okay? Till the next video, you have a great evening, and we'll see you in the next video. All right? Take care. Get my 10-page PDF report on building your brand and getting sales and leads on Facebook. It also reveals why people are struggling in their home-based businesses. Get this all for free at StraightTalkWithGregSmith.com.